Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel with another video. Today we will learn how to make a spiral in Blender. So let's start. First of all, we'll go to edit mode, go to preferences, go to add-ons and write extra, extra like this. Now just select this, click add curve extra objects. Select this one and save the preferences. Close this preferences. Now we will select all these objects and press X to delete. Now press Shift A to a curve spiral. These are the four different spiral techniques. We have add the one, go to settings and change some settings here, turns, whatever you like turns, and change the height. Like this you will see a spiral, a simple spiral. Now go to object mode and go to data object properties. Now we will make some changes, geometry and bevel. Here we will change depth of the bevel like this. That is much better, I think. Change resolution as well. That is looking nice spiral. Here is object, setting and profile. With profile you will see a different spiral. Here we can also change in profile setting. We will change the depth and resolution as well. And the preset setting is something new for this. Like this you can change preset whatever you like. The setting you can make this way. So we are just adding at press G and in X direction, setting aside this object, and we are now adding another mesh. Come to curve and spiral, another. Now we will see another setting of a spiral here. We will change spiral type here, spheric. You will see a different style of a spiral. Change turn and shape like this. I think that is much better. Now we are gonna add again, go to object mode and did object properties. Bevel, make a little bit bevel setting. Yeah, this is much better. Now press G and Z direction. Again we will set aside this object and add another one to see another style or setting of a spiral. Change resolution like this. That is good, I think. Now press G and X direction and add another spiral. Press A, Shift A, curve and go to curve spiral. Here we will add another, I think, torus. You will see a different type of a spiral here. Make little bit settings, turn whatever you like this way and steps that way. Increase number of cycles, that's good. Increase more. You can increase radius as well. Now come again to object mode and make little bit settings of object data properties. Here we will change bevel setting, that is much better. Again change resolution, that's good, looking awesome. Now we will make material setting, click to material viewport, display setting here, material, add some new material, this object, base color, here we will select red color, go to metallic, increase and decrease some roughness like this roughness, select another one, add new material, new, select any color, we are selecting green, go to metallic, increase 1 and decrease roughness here. Again another one, add material, select blue color here, again increase metallic and decrease roughness. I think these are the free spell styles. So guys, you will hope you will like this video. If like, so please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.